स्टैंडर्ड ऑयल कंपनी थी अमेरिका में, जॉन डी रॉकफेलर, ही वाज द owner of that company, the first official dollar billionaire upon this earth, J.D. Rockefeller. कंपनी में कुछ ऐसी बात बनी, कोई एम्प्लॉय थे, उसकी कुछ गलती की वजह से द कंपनी इनकर्ड अ लॉस ऑफ $2 million. J.D. Rockefeller calls the employee in his office. The employee was shivering that he would fire me off. And from the 60s, the policies in the corporate America started hire and fire. John D. Rockefeller offered him a seat, offered him a glass of water. He was very surprised. And he said, "Sir, I know I have made a very big mistake, and you have all the right to take a decision for me." Rockefeller said, "That is why I have called you here." And then Rockefeller draws out from his drawer a small piece of paper, a few lines written in it, and he starts reading it aloud. He reads out all the good that the employee had done for the company in the last 35 years of his services and association with the organization. All the good decisions that he had taken, and in the midst of those good decisions, what profits the company had during his tenure of decision making, listed it out. And then Rockefeller, he tears off that piece of paper and tells the employee that your association with the organization, your integrity of 30 to 35 years within the association, your contribution to the organization since last 35 years, all that creates such a big colorful picture right in front of my eyes that your this small mistake, I don't count it. So I have called you not to fire you, but to give you a promotion. बड़ी आश्चर्य की बात. And I'm promoting you, superseding you to 2 levels, so that you have more authority to take decisions, and your last 35 years of integrity tells me that you are burning from within, that if you get one more opportunity to serve the organization, you want to repay the debt of $2 million with interest. You can do it early, as early as possible, if I promote you, so I'm superseding you 2 positions in the company. क्या प्रोएक्टिविटी है? ये लेवल की कॉर्पोरेट स्टोरीज हैं. प्रतिकूल परिस्थिति में सानुकूल प्रतिभाव. You are most active in the worst of circumstances, in the most opposing situations, yet you are more conducive. तो ये प्रोएक्टिविटी की बात है. जीवन में भी थोड़े थोड़े विचार में, परिस्थिति में भी प्रोएक्टिविटी रखना. थोड़ी थोड़ी बातों में हम डिस्टर्ब हो जाते हैं, थोड़ी थोड़ी बातों में हम लोग इरिटेट, फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाते हैं. ऊपर से तो 3 पीस सूट पहनते हैं, टाई होती है, बड़े अच्छे कॉर्पोरेट हम दिखते हैं, लेकिन थोड़ी थोड़ी बातों में डिस्टर्ब हो जाते हैं, फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाते हैं, इरिटेट हो जाते हैं. यू मस्ट स्टेबिलाइज योरसेल्फ. वर्ड्स, facial expressions, bodily languages, circumstances should not, or at least disturb you. इतनी तो stability चाहिए कि नहीं? Then you become a good professional. You become a good human being.